Hello, how are you? Welcome to the channel. Today I bring you the recipe of lemonade. And to make this recipe we are going to need 4 medium-sized lemons cut in pieces. The zest of 1.5 lemons in my case, but if you want a softer lemonade with half a lemon is enough. Some mint leaves for the final decoration. 250 grams of sugar. 800 milliliters of very cold iced water and 800 grams of ice cubes. We begin with the preparation process. Pour into the blender or food processor jar the lemon cut into pieces without the white part and without seeds or pips. We also pour the lemon peel, the sugar, the very cold or iced water. The pitcher must be tightly closed. And it is very important that all the ingredients are very finely crushed. And now it is time to add the ice. In my case, I am going to crush very slowly with small touches, so that there are little pieces of ice like grains. But if you prefer a more liquid texture, then it will grind at high speed for a longer time. If you prefer, before serving it, you can strain it with a strainer. But personally, in my case, I prefer to leave it without straining. And that's it, we have a delicious lemonade. I assure you that it is delicious. No, next. See you in the next video. If you liked the video, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.